Junior, senior, Munford cooking show, yeah. Spices we're mixing, a chef's life. We are living juniors, young, seniors, older. Our food is soul, yeah, the food is finger licking. So give our show a listen.
So welcome back to another episode of the
Junior and Senior Munford Cooking Show.
Right then, Junior, what's it all about this week then?
Alright, so it's Jamaican patties, Caribbean.
Nice one.
Yeah.
Nice one. Right, so should we just get on and cook it, do you think? What's first?
Also, I need to mention they're Notting Hill patties as well. That might sort of trigger a memory somewhere.
Like from the film Notting Hill or from the
film Notting
place?
Hill, from the place.
Or possibly the carnival, I think.
And the carnival.
Yeah. I think they probably mean the carnival, don't they?
Most likely.
Yeah, they probably do. This recipe's from Bosh Boys.
Yep.
Cat's on the table already.
It's cat friendly.
Could someone? Where's the cat technician? Oh, actually, it's the dog.
Sorry, really.
But no animals were harmed in the making of the junior.
It's a cat. They always land on their feet. All right. It's fine.
Good show. Right. So first thing is preparing your fillet, and we'll talk you through that as we go. But I think it's your sausages first. First of all, we're going with the old plant base. You're going to whack a bit of oil in there, son?
Yep. 2 tablespoons.
Beautiful. Beautifully measured. He knows a tablespoon when he sees one, that boy. Yeah, so we're using plant-based sausages. You can use any sausage you like, really.
Yeah.
This is what makes it really nice and easy. Go on then, son. Chuck it in there. I bet that's going to sizzle that. Oh. That's a serious sizzle, that, isn't it? Got a little shake. Come on.
It's
Beautiful, isn't it? Perfect. So,
Could I have an implement, please? A spatula, spoon. That's perfect. Thank you.
excellent. You must get better at getting our utensils ready, mustn't you?
I know.
But fortunately, we have an amazing technician on hand to support us here. I'll hold your hand all up. So don't have to cook these for too long. Just like a couple of minutes just to sort of get them going. Beautiful. And next, I believe, it's your spring onions, isn't it?
That's right.
I'll let you fry them. So spring onions, finely diced. Spring onions don't really take very long to cook, so a few minutes or no. You want to give them a stir, Jimmy? He's taking control of his own handle now, look. Beautiful. Can't believe that cat getting on the table.
Terrible.
Shocking, isn't it?
Terrible.
Absolutely shocking. He does like sausage though, doesn't he?
Not cricket, is it, really?
No, it's uncalled for. Right, so, hey, look, sort that cat out, will you? Unbelievable. Feed him to the dog. I mean, a decent little sorting out. He's good at crowd control. Right, next, I think it's your garlic, ginger, and we've got a little bit of thyme going in there as well, haven't we? You ready, Tom?
Yep.
You like that out there? Beautiful. Fantastic. So this is going to form the basis of your filling here for your lovely patties. We'll just let those cook through for a minute or two. Next, I think it's your tomatoes going in, isn't it? Do you want me to?
Yes, indeed it is.
You ready for them?
Mm-hmm.
Right, let's go. Oh, throw the bowl in. Just cut the whole lot in. You alright? Lovely. Beautiful. That's a lovely colourful situation, isn't it? Really lovely and colourful. So here comes soy sauce.
Soy sauce.
2 tablespoons. Is it 2 tablespoons or just the one?
Just the one.
Just the one. I do love a bit of soy sauce. That's a lovely bit of flavour to everything. I'll keep stirring while you do your bits. Pop them right there this way, isn't it?
Got some allspice going in, just a 1/4 teaspoon, because it's very strong
stuff,
strong Christmassy flavour.
Very strong stuff. And it's not Christmas, is it? So,
It's not,
you know,
no.
we don't want it to.
Turn it down a bit, yeah.
Yeah, I can smell that now. Absolutely smell that already. That's lovely, isn't it?
You'll end up with mince pies otherwise.
Yeah, no good, is it? Did you ever not any mince pie though?
Maybe.
Yeah.
Maybe.
That'll be a bit weird, mightn't it?
Yeah, I think that'd be really weird.
Right, what else you got down in there?
And we've got 2 teaspoons of the West Indian hot sauce.
Vital ingredient, the West Indian hot sauce. So 2 teaspoons of that. Hot stuff. That is seriously hot stuff, that is. And that, I can feel that in the back of my throat. Just like 2 teaspoons of that going in there is very, very strong. Bit of ketchup.
I think a generous teaspoon.
A generous teaspoon or 2.
I always put a generous teaspoon when I made this.
Yeah. We have done this one quite a few times, haven't we? The old,
We've never had an unhappy customer, have we?
no,
So,
no, they've always turned out really well.
yeah.
Beautiful. We'll just have a little turn of the camera there. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? A lovely colourful situation. Oh, the smell. There's nothing like that West Indian sauce, is there?
No. It's the kind of slight vinegary-ness to it I like.
Pungent, isn't it?
Mm.
That is well pungent, really. Right, so is that, you think that's quick long enough?
I think that's ready.
Beautiful. Right. Right, so we've done our filling, beautifully cooked. Just let that cool down in the pan behind us. I will keep an eye on that cat though. And now it's time to make the old pastry tune, isn't it?
Okay, so I've got the flour measured out, 225 grams. Got a teaspoon of turmeric going in there.
Now this is what makes them turn that lovely golden yellow colour, isn't it?
I'm just going to give that a little mix in the bowl before I chuck it in, so you don't get sort of lumps of turmeric.
No, not really good, will it? Lumpy turmeric, not in our pasties, would not be good. Sorry, patties. Get my terminology right. What's? And that's going into your butter. It's already in there, isn't it?
Yep, butter's already in there, so that's 110 grams.
We'll put all the old measurements up on the video anyway for you to see, and the recipe.
And then, oh, I nearly went ahead then.
You jumped the gun stuff, didn't you?
Yeah, I did. But you kind of, you rub this between your fingertips. Just use tips of your fingers.
Classic pastry method, isn't it?
Yeah.
Classic pastry method.
You don't want to melt this butter, you just want to kind of incorporate it together, so it's sort of like a breadcrumb-like consistency.
Yeah, that's been known, isn't it, for a lot of chefs to dip their fingers in, like, you know, icy water and all that, isn't it?
Exactly that, yeah.
Do you want some icy water?
No, I'm alright, I'm alright. Nearly poured it all down the hole then.
That'd be tragic, wouldn't it?
Bad, isn't it? I'll put that there.
Lock it up with the old thing. Oh, I think the spoon technician's had a bit of a problem over there. Are you alright, spoon technician? Right, so a little bit of kneading. Now, mind that table, son. You know, I have deployed the anti-wobble technique, but you know, can't be like too sure how well it's going to work. When I'm writing rehearsals, but you know, we could do with another leg in the middle or something, couldn't we?
And this is again, you're just bringing it together. Really, you're not kind of kneading it too much.
It's not a dough, is it? This is a proper patty pastry.
Lovely, I think that'll do us. And then we're going to separate this into 6 pieces.
Shall I ask the spoon technician for a knife?
We've got a knife in the establishment.
Do you think we need a knife technician as well? Because I feel like we're putting on the spoon technician today.
We just need a massive team, don't we, really?
We do. Well, as I said, like, you know, last time, or might have been the time before, we might start training the dog, you know. If we could get Diesel trained up, it'd be amazing, wouldn't it? So you appear to be cutting that into 6 equally sized portions.
Yep, that's right. 6 equally sized portions. You want to make an oval of each of them, so start with a ball.
Yep. So just to clarify, oval, an extended circle there. It's been stretched a bit, hasn't it?
It's longer than it is wide.
It's longer. And if you've watched the samosa episode,
Yeah.
similar sort of situation really.
Yeah.
Because they are quite small, these patties. They're not like massive, you know, giant Cornish pasty types.
No,
they're a smaller pasty.
Kind of like a small mouthful, really.
Yeah.
That was actually a joke. I think it's a few mouthfuls.
I think
really.
unless you've got a very big mouth,
Yeah, that's true. That's true.
If you've got a really big mouth, then you probably eat this all in one go. But I think most of us, it would take probably a good few mouthfuls, to be honest with you. But yeah, very nice dish to put in a lunchbox or something like that, isn't it?
So I think it's time to get rolling.
Just rolling, stand clear, everybody.
Rolling, rolling, rolling.
So measurement on this, I think, was about 20 by 15. Is that
Which was
right?
the length of a tablespoon, wasn't it?
It was the length of a tablespoon.
I've gone a little bit over
It's
there.
gone too far already, look.
We're going to call that a big one today.
We could call that a big one. That'd be alright, wouldn't it? I mean, you haven't got to be too precise with your 15 by 20. Basically, as long as it is twice as long as it is wide, you'll be alright, I think, won't you?
Yeah.
Right, I'm going to get stuff out of the way, and I'm going to get your filling for you, sir.
Thank you very much.
Right, so time to put your mixture in your patties, Junior.
Okay, so bear in mind you've got 6 here. You can just separate them in the pan. So
He's going to divide it into 6.
I'm just remembering how to divide in a 6. There we go.
It's quite tricky,
Come
isn't
back
it?
again. Yeah. I was going for 8 the first time. You know, I knew something wasn't up.
It's only a rough thing, isn't it, really?
Take your stuff, pop it in the middle.
Yeah, in the centre of your oval. Oh, that does smell delicious, I've got to say.
Fresh, isn't it?
Beautiful.
Okay, and then you brush in all around the edge.
Make sure these puppies seal up good and proper. So, you know, you can use milk, water, doesn't matter what you use. Lovely. Put that away, give you a bit more room, son. Oh, beautiful fold over. Fantastic. Lovely. And then just a bit of a crimp around the edge, and we'll be all right.
What I like to do as well is I'll have a little trim.
Oh, if you've got a bit of excess. So I'm just going to get a just slightly oiled baking tray. Let's put these lovely patties on. You could put a little bit of greaseproof on there, but we've chosen to put a little bit of oil. And I think we're probably going to need the old, yeah, that'll do it, I think. Thank you very much, spoon technician. We'll have to upgrade her, shortly, because she's doing an awful lot here, isn't she?
General technician.
There you go, son. Do you think this is going to be a 2-man job? Is she coming up all right? Yeah, she's been all right, look. Well done, son. Look at that, beautiful.
Lovely.
Reminds me a little bit of, I don't know, a place or something. You know,
A place?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh,
those
the,
fish. Yeah, it's
the
got
fins.
sort of fins around the outside, isn't it? They're not the same colour though, are they?
No, not usually anyway.
Okay, so these little babies in the oven for, it's between 10 and 15 minutes, but I would check after test at 10 minutes. They don't take too long to cook, and they should be a nice sort of golden brown colour.
Golden brown.
And firm to the touch.
Yeah.
When you touch them, they should not be squidgy. At the moment, that is squidgy, right?
Very squidgy.
When it's cooked, it won't be squidgy. It will be firm to the touch.
Alright.
Right, so here we are then. Back after about 15, 20 minutes in the oven for the lovely patties. And nice golden brown sort of colour there. Oh, I couldn't say that's golden brown actually. That's more like golden.
Orangey brown.
Yes.
Yeah.
Because of the old turmeric in there, it's a little bit different, isn't it? So I'm just going to like cut this up and have a little. We should like do like what they do on telly, shouldn't we? Like show it to the camera. That's right. That's what they do.
That's right. It's like an M&S advert.
Is it? Yeah. This is not just any.
Other supermarkets are available.
This is not just any patty.
Yeah.
This is not an M&S patty.
No.
It's a J&S patty, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's a J&S patty.
J&S patty.
Right, should we try a bit then?
Yeah.
We should just get this over with, really, shouldn't we? Oh, that's quite lovely, isn't it?
Mm.
I'll have to have a little bite of that, 'cause it's so nice.
Nice spice to it, and filling still got some moisture in there.
I can't talk. I'm speechless. That is absolutely delicious, isn't it? Just going to keep on eating. This could go on for a while, couldn't it? No, that was lovely, that. A lovely thing to have in your lunchbox. We're actually having those in our lunchbox tomorrow, aren't we?
Mm-hmm.
That will be our lunch. A little bit of salad. Absolutely delicious. Absolutely lovely. Well, there you go. Another successful episode of the Junior
and Senior Munford Cooking Show!
Junior, senior, Munford cooking show, yeah, spices we're mixing a chef's life. We are living juniors, young seniors, old, that our food is soul, yeah, the food is finger licking. So give our show a listen.